Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a good day today. Today we are going to be making a birthday cake, so let's get started. We are going to start out with a straight line that's maybe about 3 inches long. Coming down from that straight line, we are going to make 2 vertical lines. And then we are going to make another straight line coming across. We are going to make 2 more vertical lines. I'm going to make mine a little bit longer. And then we are going to close those up, just like that. This is the body of your birthday cake. Now we're going to decorate the birthday cake. You can decorate it any way that you choose. I am going to decorate it with a series of circles and ribbons. So let me show you what I mean. Put some circles along the top tier of the cake, and I'm going to make some U's that are connected to each other, just like this. And then I'm going to go back and I am going to connect another line, curved line, series of curved lines I should say, to the dots. So it makes a fancy ribbon. I'm going to do the same thing on this part of the cake as well. So I'm going to attach U's to these circles, just like that. And then I'm going to make one more curved line attached to the other curved line, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the top tier of the cake, and I'm going to put some upside down U's along the bottom, and do the same thing on the bottom tier. Looks to me like there's a little bit of room in the middle of the cake, where if you'd like to put a few more designs in there, that would be great. Okay, we are going to put a candle on top of our cake, and let's say you're making this cake for a birthday card or something. You can think about how old the person is that you are going to be making the card for, and put that many candles on the top. So to make the candle, you just put 2 straight lines, close them up, and a teardrop shape at the very top for the flame. Now we're going to go down to the bottom because we want to put this cake on a fancy platter. So it's basically just an upside down C that is attached to another one, just like this. We're going to put some scalloped edges along the bottom to make it a little bit more fancy, just like that. And then at the very bottom, we are going to make a stand. So I'm going to make a J, fancy J, and then a backwards fancy J, and we are going to double that up, just like this. And then right in the middle right here, we're going to put an oval that's doubled up as well. Makes it a little bit more fancy. Now we're going to go back up to the top, and we're going to make a banner. So it's basically just a curved line from corner to corner, and then a few V's that are attached. Make as many as you'd like. We need to tie those V's onto the cord, onto the line. So I'm going to put some little circles, and those can be our little bows. Then we're going to go and we're going to put designs in each one of the banners. So you can do different designs. It's up to you what you'd like to do. Let's see, how about some larger and some scallops here. Alrighty, there you go. There's your birthday cake. Have a good day. Bye.